Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about how to close your Starling Bank account. Closing your Starling personal account is a straightforward process you can do right from the app. First, make sure you've transferred any remaining balance and canceled any pending payments. This is a crucial step to avoid any issues during the closure. Once that's done, open your Starling app. Tap on your account icon, then drag down the menu. You'll see 3 dots next to the account you want to close. Tap on those 3 dots, and then select Close Account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. If you have a business or a joint account, the process is a little different. For these accounts, you'll need to contact Starling's customer service team through the app's help section. You can send a message or start a live chat, and they will guide you through the necessary steps. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.